Hey friends, DTLalaland here. I try all the Disney vacation gadgets you're curious about but don't want to gamble on, and today we're reviewing a sun umbrella that claims to do way more than block the sun. Are you ready for an adventure? We all know Florida's summers are absolutely no joke. The heat feels like you're literally walking on the sun. And when it rains, it's a total monsoon. Now, you guys know I've always been Team UV Umbrella, and you've definitely seen my trusty old pink one in my videos. And it does the job for basic sun and rain, but lately, with temperatures soaring past 100 degrees and humidity hitting a suffocating 90%, basic just isn't hitting it anymore. I needed an upgrade to survive this swamp heat. Enter the Fill-E-Ull Umbrella. It's a heavy-duty UV umbrella equipped with a built-in cooling fan and mist spray. You heard that right. Now, when I first saw this online, I was definitely skeptical. Is it really going to keep me cool, or is it just some heavy over-engineered gimmick? I just got the box in the mail, so let's crack it open and test it in the parks. All right, so it arrived in this box. Here's the umbrella itself. It is good size. Stands almost probably like 3 feet. Let's go check it out in the parks. All right, so I've been using this umbrella for most of the day today in the parks, and I have to say, it actually works really well. I mean, shade-wise, it's a shade umbrella, but the fan, when I turn that fan on, so this is regular speed, and then this is high speed. I don't know if you can see from my hair, but I mean, it is definitely blowing a nice breeze on my head. I have to kind of tilt it a little bit based off of where the fan is and where I have it for my chair, but overall, that fan is blowing a nice breeze on my face, and that's cool and refreshing today at the park. Now the nice thing is this is just a standard charger for it, so any USB-C will charge this up for a day at the park. I've had it going for a little bit as I've walked around the parks, and it's still going pretty well. But let me show you the big bonus of this fan. With a very simple change right here at the bottom, there's like a little hose that comes out. So the nice thing is this cap to the bottom part, being sure to put the hose inside the water bottle. Let's twist that right on, and now you have a Mr. Fan umbrella. Watch. So you can see it right there. They're like little sprayers spraying water and then hitting that fan and then spraying it all around. So it's like a Mr. Fan. Listen to that fan. Hold on, let me put my thing closer to it. But boy, I can still feel that breeze. Again, for me with the cart, I have to tilt it slightly, but I think if you were walking around, this would be totally fine because it does have the fan right at the top of the umbrella, right down on your head. And then with the mist, I mean, that's as close to a 10 out of 10 as I can say. And I think the price is pretty reasonable. I mean, most sun umbrellas are gonna run you about $30, $40 for a good sturdy sun umbrella. This was between $45 and $60. So I definitely think if you look out there, you could probably find a good sun umbrella. This one, I'll put the name brand down in the description down below, but definitely check it out on Amazon.com. All right, so let's talk pros and cons of this new umbrella. The biggest, I think everything is pro about it. The fan is great, the water system inside is great, has huge coverage over my cart most times, which is really cool. I've been using it all day today and yesterday in this heat, and the battery is still ready to go. So that is definitely a pro. The con part of it, I would say, is it is definitely a large umbrella. This does not collapse down in any way. So where you're used to this type of small sun umbrella that you could clip to your bag, that will easily fit inside your bag, that is not the case with this umbrella because it does not fold down. So that's probably, you can see the size difference. That's probably the only thing that I would say is a con. You've got a pretty good size umbrella with my with this one, which is the hands-free, and this one has an automatic button so it will collapse down. This umbrella, you do have to slide it up. It's still the same type of size, and it's still actually really good with the coverage. So honestly, there's not that many cons when it comes to this umbrella. So if I were you, check out this umbrella, see if it's in your budget, and definitely make it part of your Disney must-have gadgets. Next month, we're going to be reviewing something that's so small it fits in my hand, but it's something you definitely need to have as part of your Disney park bag. Stay tuned next month and be sure to subscribe. And with that, join the magic, live the adventure, and I'll see you in our next gadget review.